Ever find yourself lying awake at night, replaying a moment from years ago, wishing you could just go back and do it differently? Maybe it was a missed opportunity, a relationship that ended badly, or just something embarrassing you said at a party. We all have these moments. That feeling, that heavy weight in your chest, is regret. But what if I told you that this painful emotion isn't a bug in your system? What if it's actually one of the most sophisticated features of your brain, designed to make you smarter, stronger, and more successful? Today, we're rediving into the neuroscience of regret to uncover why your past mistakes are the secret ingredient to a better future. Let's get a little scientific. When you experience regret, your brain isn't just wallowing in sadness. It's performing a complex and fascinating cognitive function. The start of this show is a region right behind your eyes, called the orbitofrontal cortex, or OFC. Think of the OFC as your brain's personal review board. When you make a decision and the outcome is worse than what you could have had, your OFC lights up. It runs a simulation, comparing the reality of your choice with the what-if scenario. This process involves a crucial neural pathway connecting the OFC with the amygdala, your brain's emotional center, and the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory. The amygdala provides the emotional sting of regret, that ouch feeling. Meanwhile, the hippocampus locks in the memory of the mistake in its context. The OFC then integrates this emotional data and memory to create a powerful learning signal. It's essentially telling the rest of your brain, hey, remember, it felt bad. Let's not do that again. Here's what we should aim for next time. This isn't just about feeling bad. It's about encoding a lesson in the most effective way possible, through emotion. The stronger the regret, the more unforgettable the lesson. Your brain is literally rewiring itself based on that mistake, creating new neural pathways to guide you toward better choices in the future. But here's the problem. Most of us have a terrible relationship with regret. You might feel like you're trapped in a loop, endlessly replaying your failures. You convince yourself that if you had just been smarter, or braver, or different, things would be perfect. This can lead to shame, anxiety, and a feeling of being stuck. You start to see your past not as a series of lessons, but as a long list of evidence proving you're not good enough. This negative spin makes you avoid taking risks. You fear making another mistake so much that you stop trying new things. You stop growing, and you stay in your comfort zone, even when it's making you unhappy. When you view regret as a failure, you miss its entire purpose. You're essentially ignoring the most valuable feedback your brain can give you. So, how do we fix this? The solution is to consciously reframe your relationship with regret. Instead of seeing past mistakes as failures, start seeing them as data. Highly valuable, emotionally charged data that your brain has specifically collected to help you navigate the future. Think of yourself as a scientist and your life as a grand experiment. Every mistake is just a data point that helps you refine your hypothesis. When you feel that pang of regret, don't push it away. Acknowledge it. Ask yourself, what is this feeling trying to teach me? What information is my brain highlighting for future reference? Let's make this practical. Grab a journal or open a note on your phone. Think of a recent regret. Instead of focusing on the shame, write down 3 things. 1. What was the specific choice I made? 2. What was the outcome I didn't want? And 3. What alternative choice would have led to a better outcome? Beyond this, you're actively engaging with the OFC's process. You're taking the emotional signal and translating it into a concrete strategy. You're transforming a painful memory into an actionable plan. This isn't about dwelling on the past. It's about mining the past for intelligence. You are not your mistakes, but you are wiser because of them. Regret, when harnessed correctly, becomes a tool for self-improvement, pushing you to be more empathetic, more strategic, and more aligned with your own values. It's the mechanism that drives personal growth. Every successful person, every innovator, every artist has a rich history of mistakes. They didn't succeed in spite of their regrets. They succeeded because of them. They learned how to listen to that inner voice, not as a critic, but as a guide. They understood that the feeling of regret is the brain's way of saying, you're capable of better. Let me show you how. It's an evolutionary feature, not a personal flaw, designed for adaptive learning. By changing your perspective, you can turn your biggest regrets into your greatest assets. You can stop being haunted by the ghost of who you were and start being guided by the wisdom you've earned. So, The next time you find yourself cringing at a past decision, take a deep breath and remember what's happening inside your head. Your brain isn't punishing you. It's training you. It's handing you a personalized blueprint for future success. The key is to accept the lesson without letting the emotion paralyze you. It's about learning to forgive yourself for not knowing then what you know now, thanks to the very experience you regret. Let this be the one thing you take away from our time together today. The pain of regret is the wisdom of tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I'm curious, what's a lesson that regret has taught you? Share your experience in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the amazing human brain. See you in the next one.